Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change WhatsApp call ringtone. Friends, due to any reason if you want to change WhatsApp call ringtone, then you simply need to open your WhatsApp app. Now here in your WhatsApp, press on these three dots. Now here press on settings. Now in settings, press on notifications. Now here scroll it little down. Now here under calls you will find ringtone. Now to change this ringtone you need to press on it. Now here you need to press on themes. Now press on pre-installed ringtones. Now here are number of ringtones. You can select any of these ringtones by pressing on apply. Now here press on the ringtone to listen it, and to select the ringtone you simply need to press on apply. So friends, like this you can very easily change WhatsApp call ringtone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.